Okay, YouTubers, 99 BMW R 1100S gearbox and final drive oil change. Final drive's easy. Got the hex bolt here and a regular, I think it was 19 millimeter underneath here. Just don't slop it on your brakes. This one's a little trickier. I think that was 8 millimeter hex, and then underneath, let's see if I can show that. Well, comment if you can see it. Large hex, 14 millimeter, and not even 2 fingers to access that, so you're not going to get a socket, and your Harbor Freight tool is not going to fit. So here's what you do. The tools you need, that's what's left of the Harbor Freight 14 millimeter. Your other Hefty tool. Cut this long enough to fit a 14 millimeter wrench on there. Give it a rap with the hammer and unscrew that thing about 23 times. Here was the complete set, and you can see. Chop that off any method you have. It was loud and effective. And it takes about 800 milliliters in the main gear and about 230 in the rear, or some say until it's coming up to the full. And that's about it. Good luck.